Okay, so today we are going to be configuring RFID Smart Antenna XGCS850. We have to first make sure that we have a static IP address in place. Mine is 192.168.0.3, but any will do as long as it's not occupied already. So the factory default for this smart antenna has the 192.168.0.10, and they recommend that you change that in order to use it. So we can just make it whatever we want. I think I have it at 03 or 103 anyway. We zero out the gateway and you apply these settings. In order for them to take place, we have to power cycle the device. So I just did that, and that should go through. So now we go to our Unity Pro and we open up the NOC. So as you can see, it's connected to 103, but in order for that to happen, you have to import the EDS file first. So to do that, we go to our DTM browser, which is already here. We right click on there, the NOC module, go to the device menu, additional functions, add EDS to library. That will pull up this menu. I have mine saved here. So we go to browse and it's referenced back there, open it up. Mine's already there, so it'll give me a menu, but once you do that, you can go to the hardware catalog. I already had it open. Here we go. Alright, so we update the hardware catalog so it can read this new EDS file that we just put into it. It'll take a little bit, but okay. So then once we do this, we can go to device types, devices, and we should be able to find it somewhere. Okay. So here's that. Here's the new one that we just did. So once we find it, we can drag it over and just drop it into the module. And that's where I have mine already. So then, like I said, whatever IP address you want to configure here, you can put it into the configuration settings. Oh, yeah, that's right. It's the NOC module. The address settings, here it is, under the devices. So there's that IP address that we set before. So now we can rebuild all the projects, connect to our PLC. This is my IP address for the PLC. It's at 12, which can be configured in the bus, but that's already done, so we can text the connection is good. So we connect, transfer project, and run it. Alright, so now we can go to our derived data types, and you can see all these. So we can initialize a new animation table and look at the health bits. So that'll show that there's one healthy connection. Here, we open this up. I already read a couple of tags before, but once you put one on there, you can see it'll go up. And if you put the same tag on there twice, it doesn't redo the tag counter. But if you change it to a different one, then the count goes up. So if we change these values here to hexadecimal, you can see the different bits for each. So that'll come in handy when we go here. Yeah, so we can memorize this AD24. That'll be just the first reference. If we go here to Vigio, we can connect it to the PLC with the I/O manager. In Target, we can just simulate this and build it. So then this will basically just pull all of the information from the PLC we had before. So now, when I put a tag on it, it'll pop up. See, there's the AD24 that we had, and the counter is at 8 where it was before. So I can change the tags here and they will also show up, and it's in hexadecimal. So thank you for watching, and that's how we do it. Bye bye.